This biker was just fueling up his bike when he got catcalled by a girl.
Your bike is super safe.
Thanks so much. Do you ride?
I do.
She got out of her car and approached him.
What bike did you used to ride?
Because she doesn't have enough time, she sold her bike, so the biker offered her a ride.
Because you don't have a bike, do you want to go on a ride sometime?
You being for real?
Yeah.
I would love that.
When are you free?
Tonight?
This way they actually met up and she showed off her outfit.
Have you ever done a wheelie before on the back?
No.
Do you want to?
I'm so down.
All right, let's go.